In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a pie chart in Monday.com step by step. Whether you're tracking project progress, sales performance, task distribution, or team workload, a pie chart is one of the easiest ways to visualize your data and quickly understand percentages and categories at a glance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up your board properly, create a dashboard, add a pie chart widget, customize it, and even share or export it for reports. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, you need to open or create a board. Start by logging in to Monday.com and navigating to the board that contains the data you want to visualize. If you don't already have a board set up, go ahead and create a new one. For a pie chart to work properly, your board should include at least one category type column and one value type column. For example, you can add a status column to represent categories like working on it, done, or stuck. You can also use a drop-down column if you want more customizable segments. Then add a numbers column if you want to calculate totals, such as budget amounts, hours, or quantities. Make sure your board is filled with accurate data, because your pie chart will directly reflect whatever is inside these columns. Once your board is ready, the next step is to open or create a dashboard. On the left-hand menu in Monday.com, click on Dashboards, then click the plus button to create a new dashboard. Give your dashboard a clear name, such as Project Metrics or Team Overview, depending on what you're tracking. Dashboards allow you to combine data from one or multiple boards and display it visually using widgets. After naming your dashboard, confirm to create it, and you'll be taken to a blank dashboard canvas where you can start adding visual elements. Now it's time to add the chart widget. Inside your dashboard, click on the Add Widget button. You'll see a variety of widget options available. Choose the chart widget, and then select Pie Chart as the chart type. Monday.com supports different chart styles like bar and line charts, but for this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on the pie chart. Once selected, the widget will prompt you to connect a board as the data source. Next, configure your pie chart. First, select the board that contains your data. Then choose the column you want to categorize by. This is usually your status or drop-down column, since these define the segments of your pie. After that, choose the value column. You can either use a numbers column to sum totals, or you can select an option to count items if you simply want to see the distribution of tasks. Once your data fields are selected, open the chart settings to customize the appearance. You can enable percentages, so each slice shows its proportion of the total. You can turn labels on or off depending on how clean you want the design to look. You can also adjust the color scheme to match your brand or make the chart easier to read. Take a moment to review the preview so you're confident everything looks correct. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Apply to generate the pie chart. The widget will now display your data visually on the dashboard. You can resize the widget by dragging the corners or reposition it anywhere on the dashboard layout. This flexibility allows you to organize multiple charts and KPIs in the way that makes sense for your workflow. Finally, you can share or export your pie chart. If you want your team to access the dashboard, click on Share Dashboard and invite members or generate a shareable link. If you need the chart for a presentation or report, use the Export option to download it as an image or PDF. This makes it easy to include your visual data in meetings, client updates, or executive summaries. And that's it. You now know how to create a pie chart in Monday.com from start to finish, customize it, and share it with your team. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.